Have you ever woken up to your partner giggling, telling you that you were giving a full-blown speech in your sleep last night? Or maybe you're the one who's been woken up by some late-night mumbling from the other side of the bed. It can be funny, a little weird, and sometimes downright confusing. What on earth is going on in our brains when we start chatting away in our dreams? Well, if you've ever wondered why you or someone you know talks in their sleep, stick around. But before we spill all the secrets your subconscious might be hiding, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You don't want your secrets slipping out again, do you? Sleep talking, or as the scientists call it, somnoloque, is actually a type of parasomnia, which is just a fancy term for an abnormal behavior during sleep. It's incredibly common, especially in kids, but plenty of adults do it too. So why does it happen? Most sleep talking occurs during the transition between different sleep stages. Our sleep is divided into cycles, primarily REM, which stands for rapid eye movement, and non-REM sleep. During non-REM sleep, your body is resting, but your brain can still be partially active. Sometimes lingering thoughts or anxieties from your day can bubble up and manifest as mumbled words or short phrases. It's like your brain is trying to process the day's events, but isn't fully online to form coherent sentences. This is usually when you get the simple, fragmented sleep talk. But the really juicy stuff, the elaborate monologues and dialogues, often happens during REM sleep. This is the stage where most of our vivid dreaming occurs. Normally, during REM sleep, our brain sends signals to our muscles to basically paralyze them. It's a safety mechanism called rematonia, and it's what stops you from physically acting out your dreams. Imagine dreaming you're flying and jumping off the bed. This paralysis is a good thing. However, sometimes this paralysis isn't perfect. The part of your brain responsible for speech, like Broca's area and Wernicke's area, can become slightly active. When this happens, the words and narratives from your dream can leak out into the real world. Your brain is essentially mixing the dream world with your ability to speak. So, if you're dreaming about ordering a pizza, you might actually start saying, "I'll have a large pepperoni, please." Out loud, the content is usually nonsensical or related to recent events or emotional stresses. It's rarely a deep, dark secret. Instead, it's more like a random snippet from your brain's nightly movie screening. So, the next time you hear some sleepy chatter, you'll know it's just a little crossover between the dream world and reality. It's fascinating how our dreams can literally speak. If you enjoyed uncovering this piece of sleep science, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures into the mysteries of your mind. Thanks for watching, and sleep tight. Ever woken up to your partner giggling and they tell you were just talking in your sleep again? Or maybe you're the one who's overheard some hilarious, nonsensical, or downright bizarre nighttime confessions? Have you ever talked in your sleep? Drop a comment below with the funniest thing you've said or heard. And hey, before your subconscious spills any more secrets, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So, what's really going on when we start chatting away after we've dozed off? The official term for sleep talking is somnoloque, and it's surprisingly common, especially in kids. It might seem mysterious, but the science behind it is fascinating. It all comes down to our sleep cycles. We go through different stages of sleep each night, but the real action happens during REM, or rapid eye movement sleep. This is the stage where our most vivid dreams occur. Your brain is buzzing with activity, almost like you're awake. During REM sleep, the parts of your brain responsible for generating speech, like Broca's area and Wernicke's area, can sometimes get a little glitchy. They flicker on, just for a moment. Normally during REM, our bodies are in a state of paralysis called atonia. This is a brilliant safety feature that stops us from physically acting out our dreams. Imagine running from a dream monster right into your bedroom wall. Ouch. But sometimes this paralysis isn't 100% effective. The muscles controlling our vocal cords can escape this lockdown, allowing us to speak out loud. What comes out is often a jumbled mix of our dream narrative and random thoughts. That's why sleep talking can range from complete gibberish and mumbling to surprisingly clear sentences or even full-blown one-sided conversations. It's your dream world literally leaking into reality through your voice. The content is usually harmless and not a reflection of your deepest, darkest secrets, so don't worry too much about accidentally revealing your secret identity as a superhero. It's more likely you'll just be ordering a pizza from a talking squirrel. Most of the time, sleep talking is completely harmless. It can be triggered by things like stress, fever, or not getting enough sleep. but it's generally not a sign of any serious underlying issue. It's just one of the many weird and wonderful things our brains do while we're off in dreamland. It's a reminder that even when we're unconscious, a part of our mind is still wide awake, telling stories. So, the next time you hear someone talking in their sleep, you'll know it's just their dreams trying to speak. What other sleep mysteries should we uncover next? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and for more fascinating insights into sleep science and the human brain, don't forget to like and subscribe. Sweet dreams.